We have a multifaceted severe weather day today with severe storms to start the day, now falling temperatures and rain transitioning to snow for the second half of the day. We'll also see winds picking up across the region. A lot happening in the weather department. It is still raining on our Hunter Subaru Skycam network in Waynesville right now. Taking a sneak peek at Pisgah, and I had to look really close here, but I think we've already seen a transition over to snow at that elevation at 5,000 feet, because you can see a little bit of snow accumulating there in the foreground, and those really look like snowflakes to me instead of raindrops. So we're starting to see that transition. Colder air is starting to move in to replace this nice warm air that we had over the weekend. Pretty easy to find the front, and look at the cold air back behind it. 22 and snowing in St. Louis, 14 in Kansas City. This is very cold air that's going to start to move in today and really take hold tonight and tomorrow. So we have two sides of the storm system. We have the severe weather side in the warm sector. We have snow really developing there in the cold sector. The severe threat for our region is done. It is not for eastern sections of North Carolina and South Carolina in these yellow areas. Those are tornado watch boxes. So we're still seeing a threat for severe weather for our neighbors to the east. When we take a look here at our winter type radar, the precip type, you can see a lot of rain falling here in the I-26 corridor, Hendersonville, back into Greenville and Anderson there. But here in eastern Tennessee, we're really seeing some snow ramp up. And when I stop the radar and zoom in, you can see we're getting that snow already in our higher elevations there in the Smokies. And we'll see more of this over the next couple of hours as temperatures come down. We've got liquid rain now in parts of Buncombe County, but I wouldn't be surprised if we see some snowflakes even in the lower elevations around Buncombe County, because when this first comes in this afternoon and early evening, it's really going to have a strong push of cold air. We've got lots of dynamics in the atmosphere that may ring out some snowflakes in lower spots. Now, this will be more of a snowstorm for our neighbors to the north of Asheville with our counties near Tennessee. That's where we're going to see more of the snow add up. But even in Buncombe County, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock this evening, we could see brief periods of snow. We could see reduced visibility and maybe even a couple of slick spots at times. The more widespread travel issue will be tonight as that snow adds up in those high spots near Tennessee. And that is where we have our winter weather advisory. It begins at 1 p.m. and goes through the night tonight. Not only will accumulating snow make travel tough in some of those high spots, but so will the winds, gusting to 55 miles an hour. In low elevations, we'll see 35 to 45 mile per hour gusts. So the winds are going to crank up. The temperatures are going to go down. We fall into the 30s late this afternoon. We fall into the 20s at 9 p.m. And then overnight, our temperatures drop into the teens and low 20s. We will see wind chill readings in the morning in the single digits again, because that wind will still be gusting 35 to 45 miles an hour. So cold and windy start to Tuesday. Tuesday morning, Wednesday morning, and Thursday morning, those could all be hard freezes, pipe freezing type weather. You want to make sure you take precautions for that. And this quickly moves out. We see highs by the 70s this weekend. Tammy.